All right, so I'm gonna go over the trade. You guys can see here, Lord XPX. So I'm gonna show you guys, like I said, the 15-minute was our stop loss. So the way the trade worked out was like this right here. So we knew we broke this low on the 15-minute. We knew that we had the 15-minute order block, the 1 hour imbalance. So what I did is I took my fibs from the high to the low. I waited for a retest into the fibs. This is where I look for, some type of reaction. Now, I don't just smack there just because, we have fibs. So everything I use is piece of confluence, meaning like piece of evidence, right? So now I look for a break on a smaller time frame. So meaning on the 1 minute, I look for a break as well. So we broke the lows on the 1 minute, right? As you guys can see here, and we didn't close above the highs. We also formed another buy to sell, as you guys can see here, another buy to sell, meaning an M, right? And we retested that buy to sell, the imbalance. That's where we took the entry. If you guys look at the time frame where we alerted it, they all matches up, and then we target that 4 hour low 62.41. As you guys can see where I said manage, we managed there, but that was our target. And here's the second one we took. So if you guys see here, XPX at 148 for 622 puts at 190, and we instantly banked immediately like 2 minutes later for 100%. So I'm gonna go over the trade, same exact strategy I use, right? So I wait for the breaks, right? I wait for the buy to sell, as you guys can see here, another M, right? We broke the low there, so I wait for a retest, form the order block, form the imbalance, grab my fibs from the high to my low, so I can see where we can expect a reaction. Once I look there for reaction, I look for a shift on the smaller time frame, right? So okay, we hit the optimal. So like I said, now we go back to the 1 minute and we look for a shift to the downside, right? And a retest. So here we broke that 1 minute low right here. As soon as we broke it, we retested it. So super simple, support and resistance, old support turns to new resistance. So we took it down, and this is where we targeted the 62.41. Banger day.